Hello guys, welcome back. This is Osmosis FX and a quick look at USD card on this one. Now I'm on a weekly and let's just go down to 12-month first so that you can have a view of what I'm looking at on USD card from the monthly time frame before I come down to the weekly, so that I won't just bore you with what I feel. So on the monthly time frame, you can see that USD card is bearish. You can see we have this break of structure, we have this sweep, this change of character, and we have this massive impulse with imbalance in here. Then we have this drop, so we have this retracement, change of character, price didn't come back here, and price was just creating more liquidity here that must be taken. So I feel like this liquidity is magneting price here to take this out. So on the lower time frame we have this and this, but it's not looking to me as if we are going here. Market would prefer to take out this liquidity and tap into this guy before dropping. So coming down here, we also have liquidity because all these lows are liquidity, but because of the distance, I prefer to take this high, tap into the supply and drop. So due to the main trend, which is bearish, then I prefer to sell in here. So whatever is going on here, I feel is going to the supply. So let's go down to weekly from there, because from this monthly view I already know that I'm selling. So all this retracement back to the upside has been following other flow back to back. This is the last low sweep, this is the change of character, and this was the high that he made. Price came back, tapped into it, broke it, came back into this, broke it, came back into this. So the other flow was steady. If you go to your chart and study it, you see that price is just entering back into the other flow. This is the man that broke this one. So when this broke with this impulse, you have a trend and liquidity. Price came into a change character, took out this high, create inducement, went up, price came back into it again. So presently we are here, and because we are here, I'm bullish to this side, to this buy side liquidity before the major liquidity on this week. So this was last week, upper week and last. So this was March 11, 18. So this, I think this was the first week of March. This was how price closed, and we have this, but instead I have a rally reacted to this base. Remember, this same look happened on DXY. DXY was supposed to come down to this last demand before picking up. DXY didn't come back, so DXY picked from here. So immediately this broke out, this candlestick broke out to the body. We have a rejection back to this base, and price broke out. Now price is taking out this guy. That's the summary. This high must be taken. That's my summary. So let's go down to daily and look out for how we can make use of this. You can see daily is also taking a positive move. So price already tapped into, this is the demand, and we already have unmitigated. It took out this, break this high, so this zone, price came back into it, and now price just filling the fair value gap that was in here. And to me, I'm buying this daily, right? I'm buying USD card from this zone. I'm buying it from this zone. This demand has been mitigated here already. All this demand has been mitigated. It's only this one that has not been mitigated. So, but the other flow keeps going. It's not showing as if we are taking out, especially when all these demands are taking low. Meanwhile, on the weekly, we have this morning star, which also signifies. So, what do we have? This is Monday. Tuesday tap into fair value gap and pushed up. So we are heading for at least all this buy side liquidity, this guy here first, this guy next. These are the liquidity that we are looking to take out. So I'm expecting some massive, I'm expecting some massive push on Usdcad this week. So with this on 4 hour, I have some support and resistance, and I have a lot of lines on my charts. I'll probably delete them so that I just wanted to have, let me just remove everything. Okay, so on 4 hour we have some resistance here. You can see its price has been reacting to this resistance, so I'm in to break this resistance. My own is I'm breaking it because price has been fighting with it. This is first, second, this third should break. So the fair value gap on daily is in between here, and this low was taken as a sweep. So immediately this low was swept, you see a bullish reversal straight. Then I'm continuing on this bullish. If price then break out, then I'll wait for either of these two demand to react and to take price out. Either of these two demand to react. So I'm still waiting because I couldn't enter here. I like entering from my blocks, but on a daily I see a fair value gap reaction, right, which might not really, you can see a fair value reaction which might not really happen on 4 hour. So I'm still bullish with this fair value gap rather, so that I can find my entry here. All I'm waiting for is price to break above. If price should break above here, note we'll probably revisit this evening star. Note this evening star. This is the sell to buy candle. So if I bought out of this zone, we are coming back to that sell to buy candle to continue the push. So this zone will be destabilized. Immediately we have a breakout of this zone, note that price will come down. It might be this week that will be tapped into, and you see a move. So this week like this, you can see price can tap into this week. I would say week also, and just enter small and push, because price has really moved already, so it won't want to create any low bottom profile. So if price should get out, I would like to take this to the next support here. So I'll be looking to buy from probably here, and my stop loss will be below this guy here. So if I have this sweep and I have this change of character here, price should take out this high. Just know that we are bullish, and the sell, this is the sell to buy candle is where I'm buying from. So if I bought here, I will hold my trade to this place, and if it's from here, price will come to, just know that once we break out of this support zone, then this is my target here. This next 1.3800, that's my next target. Okay guys, the support here is 1.36 here. 1.36 is the support here, so the demand is from 1.36. so see you guys, bye.